Hi everyone and welcome to the Meaningful Mission. Today, we're talking about a topic that I know many of you can relate to. Today, we're talking about how to overcome fear. Fear is a natural human emotion. But it can sometimes be debilitating. It can prevent us from doing things that we want to do, and it can hold us back from living our lives to the fullest. But there are things that we can do to overcome fear. 1. Identify your fears. The first step to overcoming fear is to identify what you're afraid of. Once you know what your fears are, you can start to work on facing them. 2. Challenge your fearful thoughts. When you're feeling afraid, your mind might start to race with negative thoughts about what could happen. It's important to challenge these thoughts and ask yourself if they're really true. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, you might think, I'm going to make a fool of myself. But is that really true? What evidence do you have to support that thought? 3. Face your fears gradually. If you're afraid of something, it's not realistic to expect to face it head-on right away. Instead, start by facing your fears gradually. For example, if you're afraid of spiders, you could start by looking at pictures of spiders. Then, you could move on to watching videos of spiders. Finally, you could try to interact with a spider in a controlled environment. 4. Use relaxation techniques. When you're feeling afraid, your body goes into fight or flight mode. This can cause physical symptoms such as a racing heart, sweating, and shortness of breath. Relaxation techniques can help to calm your body and mind, which can make it easier to cope with fear. Some relaxation techniques include deep breathing, meditation, and yoga. 5. Get support from others. Talking to someone you trust about your fears can be helpful. They can offer support and encouragement, and they can help you to challenge your fearful thoughts. 6. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to control your fear on your own, it's important to seek professional help. A therapist can help you to understand your fears and develop strategies for coping with them. Overcoming fear takes time and effort, but it's possible. By following the tips in this video, you can learn to manage your fear and live a more fulfilling life. Here are some additional tips to help you on your journey. 1. Be patient with yourself. It takes time to overcome fear. Don't expect to be cured overnight. 2. Be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you have a setback. Just pick yourself up and keep going. 3. Focus on the positive. Remind yourself of all the things you've accomplished despite your fear. 4. Celebrate your successes. When you make progress, take some time to celebrate your success. This will help you to stay motivated. Remember, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with fear. But it's possible to overcome your fear and live a full and happy life. With time, effort, and support, you can do it. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and it means the world to me. I'm always working hard to create new and interesting video, so I would love for you to be a part of the journey. When you subscribe to my channel, you'll be the first to know about new videos, and you'll also get access to exclusive video that I only share with my subscribers. Thanks again for watching. I value your time.